If you often need to create purchase invoice or purchase orders with similar information, for example, utility, rent, telephone expense, you can set up recurring purchase lines so you don't need to manually create new lines every time you create a new order or an invoice for a particular vendor. We start by searching for recurring purchase lines, and let's create a new one. I'm going to create one for telephone. I will add the same description. And in the line section, you have the information for the recurring expense. The type, I'm going to select GL account. The number is going to be my telephone expense. Quantity typically is 1. And the amount, you may need to personalize your screen and add this column if you don't have. And you can also use dimensions if needed. Once you have done the setup, you have to assign it to a vendor. And you can also create as many codes as you need for your recurring purchase lines. So I'm going to go to my vendor list, open this vendor card, go to related, purchase, and recurring purchase lines. Here we are going to tell the system how we want the system to handle this. So I'm going to select my code, telephone, and let's pick on insert recurring lines on orders and invoices. You have 3 options. Manual, in this case, you have to manually get the recurring purchase line when you're creating orders or invoice. Automatic, every time you create a new invoice or a purchase order, the system will automatically populate the recurring purchase line. Or always ask, a message will pop up asking if you'd like to get the recurring lines for this vendor. I'm going to select always asks for orders and also for invoice. You could assign multiple recurring purchase lines to any vendor. Then we can go ahead and let's create a purchase invoice. I'm going to hit new. I'm going to select our vendor. And if I scroll down, you're going to notice the line sessions is blank. And I can then select get recurring lines. I have my telephone right here. I'm going to hit OK. And then the system will bring up the information that we selected for our recurring purchase lines. You could overwrite the information that is here. You can change the description, or maybe you want to change the amount. You can review the invoice, then just add the vendor invoice number. And then if you're ready to go, you can just go ahead and post to finalize your transaction.